We're recording our first album at the moment, and I take the camera with me wherever we go, shooting whatever we're getting up to. Partly for Instagram, but for us as well, to capture really exciting things that are happening. It's been super easy. I thought the 2000D might be trickier to use on a phone or something, but it's not. It's really simple. It's really intuitive. You just pick it up and start shooting. The images I get now are, full of detail and super sharp and really flexible to get. Just something I couldn't get on my phone. It's brilliant to be able to connect because it's all about striking while the iron's hot, I suppose. If something's really interesting you and you're really on it at that point, you want to share it as fast as possible, As well as the great photos I get on the 2000D, I like the full HD video and the cool snapshot feature. You can take loads of 4-second video clips and then the camera edits them all together into a film. Now we're taking the band more seriously. I'm hoping to do the same with my photography, like learning more, maybe using other lenses. At the moment we're totally in the recording sphere actually, so we're just sort of taking advantage of that time.